Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to easily replace the Epson L3150 printhead. You can do it yourself without having to call a technician. First, we need to prepare the printhead that we want to replace. We can order the printhead from Epson service centers or online websites. To replace it, we need to loosen the two screws that hold the scanner head first, then lift the scanner cover and use a screwdriver to support the scanner cover. Remove covers and pull out the two scanner cables along with the power cable. Then remove the scanner cover. To remove the printhead, pull the printhead towards the center and then pull the cartridge out. We will see three printhead mounting bolts that need to be removed. Lift the printhead and pull the printhead cable out of the old head. This is the old head. And this is the new head. This is the old head. Insert the printhead cable into the new head and reassemble it. After the printhead is successfully assembled, suck the ink to make it flow to the printhead before testing the printhead by using the ink suction syringe at the end of the pump line to let the ink flow to the printhead first, then assemble the machine to test the printhead to see if the color has come out yet. Now that I have successfully sucked the ink into the printhead, I am reassembling the scanner head, plugging the cables back into the motherboard, and connecting the power and USB cables that connect to the computer to test the printhead. To test the printhead, we first put paper into the printer. Then go to our computer, click on Control Panel, click on Devices and Printers, then find the driver for the printer we want to test the head. Right-click on the printer driver and select Printing Preferences. Then, from the task, a window will appear. Go to the Maintenance menu. Click on the nozzle check, and the printer will print the printhead test results on a sheet of paper. As you can see from the nozzle check, you will notice that there is still a missing point, so we need to go back and order the printer to clean the nozzle again. Click on Detailed Nozzle Cleaning. After clicking on it, you will notice that the printer is cleaning the nozzle again. This step will take about 15 minutes. Wait until this step is complete, then we can press Test Nozzle again. After cleaning the injectors for the second time, I tested the injectors again and saw that all the colors were now in. After this, we just need to reassemble the machine and it is ready to use. Now that we have assembled the machine, we will try printing it out on paper to see if the colors are different from before we changed the head. But from what I have observed, after changing the head, the colors are beautiful.